a nation of al-Sarsar, also known as the nation of Saba. She was living in the countless blessings of Allah. This nation was the owner of a great civilization. After the great reigns of Hazrat Dawood, peace be upon him, and Hazrat Sulayman, peace be upon him, his reign was special and general. It is said that these people used to grind wheat flour and bake bread. But on the contrary, they were so wasteful and ungrateful that they used to clean the stool of children with the same bread. Later, by collecting these contaminated loaves, a mountain was formed. Then a righteous person saw a woman while passing by, who was cleaning the place of the child's stool with bread. The man said to the woman, "Pity you. Fear God, lest God pour out his wrath on you and take away his blessings from you." The woman scoffed in response and arrogantly told her to go away. "As if you were scaring me with hunger. I have no fear of hunger as long as the Sarsar lasts." It was not long before Allah revealed his wrath on these people. Water, which is the basis of life, was taken away from these people. There was even a famine. It got to the point that all the food they had stored was gone. Finally they were forced to break them on contaminated bread, which was piled up like a mountain by these people. Rather, there would be a queue to get bread from there, so that everyone can take their share of bread from there. There are several traditions about the unbelievers' blessing of famine and their misery. It is said in verse 112 and 113 of Surah Nahl. And Allah has described the example of this town as well, which was safe and content. His sustenance was coming regularly from all sides. But the inhabitants of this town denied the blessings of Allah. So God made them taste hunger and thirst, just because of their deeds that they were doing, and surely the messenger came to them. So these people denied them. Then the punishment came to them that they were all wrongdoers.